everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have 3 new prints to share with you from JuJuBe. There is a Hello Kitty collab, there's actually 2 Hello Kitty collabs, and then there's one from the Roots Studio. So I cannot wait to show you guys what I have in this box. I'm a huge fan of the new Hello Floral. It is so pretty, so I think that's what I got the most of. So I've got this big box here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start going through it. All 3 of these prints are available on Shop JuJuBe right now, so if you guys would like to shop JuJuBe with me, I would love that. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you guys can shop through that anytime to help support my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I can't wait to show you guys these because there's a lot of pastels involved, and you know I love pastels. So let's go. You may notice I actually remembered my scissors this time. I feel like every unboxing I'm like, where's my scissors? And I always forget them. I don't know why. I guess because I just get so excited about unboxing that I forget. Oh, I can already see it. Oh, this print is so pretty. Oh, I actually can see all 3 prints. Okay, so because I have so much in here, I'm gonna go ahead and put the box down because it is a little bit heavy. And then I will show you guys things as I go through them. Oh, this one is so pretty. This is the Hello Floral, the one I was most excited about. So I have a B set here. So I'm gonna go through that first. You guys know me, you know I have so many B sets because they're my favorite thing to organize my bags with. Oh, it's so pretty. These are so cute. And I just, look how tiny Hello Kitty is. She's just like over here on this flower. Look how pretty this print is, you guys. It's so feminine, it's so summery, and actually I feel even more springy than summery. But I mean, you could use this either season. I love it. So pretty. So it has lavenders, it has a blushy peachy pink color. There's also a bubblegum pink. There's some aqua. You guys know I love aqua. And everything's outlined in black, but it all looks like hand-drawn flowers, and it's just so cute. And Hello Kitty is just here, there, and everywhere, like inside of blossoms. So I don't know if you guys can see her up here. Isn't that so cute? I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through the other pieces because this one does actually have a little bit of a print placement preference for people. So let's see what our medium looks like. Well, I think this is a really cute placement. This one over here, isn't that so cute? Okay, and then this is the back. You have her in yet another flower over here. So cute. Let's see the small because those are my favorites. And I love the lining. Oh, that one's so cute. Okay, so I don't have the greatest print placement, but I at least do have her on this flower over here. And I think that is my pick for print placements for Hello Kitty. She's so cute. So the different types of flowers on here are posies and peonies. And I love peonies. They're so pretty. So okay, that is the B set, and I will go ahead and show you guys, instead of like diving into the lining of this bag, I think I'd rather do that on a larger bag so you guys can see it better. But that's Hello Floral, I love it. My cat is over here running around, so if you guys see the camera get knocked a little bit, that's probably from her. Okay, so I want to go through. I got a Bestie in Sweet Petals, which is the second JuJuBe collab print with Hello Kitty. And this also doubles as the lining on the Hello Florals. So pretty, I love it. It's got lavenders, and I love stripes. So this one seems very summery to me too, or springtime-ish. Isn't that so pretty? In fact, I bet that the lilac colored chromatics would look really good with this, which is probably what I would pair it with. But this is the Bestie, which is in between the BFF and the mini BFF. I love this size. It's perfect for kids, but it's also perfect for adults, so I love it. Let's see what the lining's like on this one. So the lining on this one is just solid lavender / lilac color. It's really pretty. I'm glad that they did a solid with this one because I think if they did it on both prints, it might be a little bit redundant to have the Sweet Floral on the inside, but I do like that they chose to do this print as the lining on Sweet Floral because it's just extra Hello Kitty. So I really like that. So this is the Sweet Petals. I think it's super cute. One more look at it, the Bestie, you guys. Also, you can wear this as a backpack, over the shoulder, crossbody. Like, it's got so many different uses. So this is the back. Super cute, I love that. All right, let's go ahead and do the third print. And now I think I got only 2 things in this print, but up close and in person, it's really like realistic looking needlepoint work. So you get that look and that texture without having a texture, so that's really cool. This is my first Roots Studio JuJuBe collab print that I've owned, so I really like it. It's so realistic. Look at that. I'm gonna get real close so you guys can see. Look at the realistic look to all that needlepoint work. You can almost even see the threads in there, which, by the way, this print is called Threads. So that is so cool. And I believe that this pattern is called Heirloom Stars. So Heirloom Stars needlepoint. Now, from what I was reading, the actual hardware on this bag is not silver. Like, it's a very pale, muted gold. And it's like a brushed look to it. So I don't know if you guys can tell that by looking at it. When I look at it in person, I don't feel like it looks gold. They still say that it is. So I really like that it's super muted like that. It's pretty, I like it. Now, the lining on this bag actually matches the zippers, and you guys know that I love aqua, so this is a little bit of a deeper shade of aqua. It's really pretty, almost like a watercolor, like a water aqua. Isn't that pretty? Matches really well with the print. So they did a good job on this one. I really like all the colors. It's very bright and vibrant and just fun. So that is Threads. I'd love to know so far, what is your favorite print out of the 3? Do you like Threads? Do you like Sweet Petals? Or do you like Hello Floral? I know which one's my favorite. I just love it, it's so pretty. Okay, let's go through some of the other bags. I did get a Bestie in this print as well. And I'm so happy I did because it's really cute. Just really, really like this print. I don't know why, but when I saw it, I was like, I have to have like a lot of this because I liked it so much. All right, so here we go. I really like that they did the pink zippers with this print. It's really cute. So here is the Bestie in this print. Super cute. Go all the way around for you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this one so you guys can see what the pattern on the inside looks like with the Hello Floral, because this is the Sweet Petals print on the inside. And I think they look really cute together. That way you can see both prints together right here. What do you think? Do you like those 2 together? I think they're really cute. I also got one more bigger bag in this print, and then I also got, so what I got is the midi. You guys know I like to have so many midi backpacks, but they're so versatile and they're lightweight, and I just love them. They're just the right size too for all the things that I need to bring with me on a daily basis. And then this is one of my other favorite bags, the Be Packed. So this is a great way to find out which one is just a little bit bigger. The Be Packed is a little bit bigger. It also has better straps in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and open both of those at the same time so you guys can see a little bit of the differences between the midi and the Be Packed. In both Hello Kitty prints. Oh, this looks so cute though. I can see me just wearing this one. Isn't that adorable? I love it. So as you can see, this is what the midi looks like. Here's the back. You have the seatbelt straps, which, as I mentioned, I don't really care for too much, but it does help make this an even more lightweight bag, so I do like it because of that. Now, let's go ahead and pull out the Be Packed in the Sweet Petals. So here it is. I really like this print on a larger scale too. Like, they both look really good on these bags. There is the Be Packed. There is Hello Floral. Trying to hide my face a little bit so you guys can see the difference between the 2 bags. As you can see, they both have bottle pockets on the sides. They both have the front pocket. There's a lot of similarities. They both have grab handles, but this one has just a little bit better quality, and it's also more expensive too, so that's probably why. But you have a nicer grab handle up here. You have the padded straps on the back, which are pretty comfortable to wear. And then you have a few more pockets than the other bag does as well. So you have a top pocket up here. And then let's go through the inside. This bag has a lot of purple on it, so all of you purple fans out there are gonna love this bag. Ooh, I like the lining. Ooh, this is a little bit different lining, I feel, than usual for JuJuBe bags. I don't know, it feels satiny soft. I really like it. Isn't that pretty? Really nice. Love the Be Packed so much. And of course, I love this one too. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up as well. I'm just loving these pink zippers, so cute. All right. And here is the interior on the midi backpack. So I hope this helped you guys just a little bit. And I do have reviews for both the midi and the Be Packed. So if you guys wanna see some more in-depth differences between the two, definitely go check out those videos. But here's just a small comparison. So there are those two bags, and I did get one, let's see. Oh yeah, I always forget what I've actually ordered. So I've got two more big bags here. I was wondering why that box was so heavy. So I actually got the Be Zealous in the Threads print because I thought this bag would look so good in this print. So the Zealous is an amazing bag if you want to take it to theme parks or on trips and using it for travel. I love it for that. So this is the Zealous. Here's the back. This print looks so good on a larger scale. Like you can see all the pattern, all the colors. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the inside so you guys can see it. I'm like dying over the lining though. I love this lining. It is so pretty. Look at that. And I love that you have the change pad too. That's what makes this bag more of a diaper bag than the other two. I think the Be Packed may have, no it doesn't. It doesn't have a change pad. Those two are solely backpack style bags. This one's a little bit more like a diaper bag. So, but I've used it for lots of things, not just that. So this would make a fabulous school backpack too. If you guys are looking for back to school stuff, I love the Zealous for that. So that is the Roots Studio Threads print by JuJuBe. So I really like it. And I think this is probably my favorite because I really wanted this particular print on a larger scale. I could not pass up the Super Bee. It's so pretty. And I don't know if you guys have been following along on my Instagram, but I've been doing a lot of different things this summer. Mostly because my husband is like extremely spontaneous. And so when he comes back from deployments or trips like he just did this week, he's like, hey, tomorrow let's go and do something crazy. And I'm like, okay. I'm not as spontaneous as him, so it's hard to wrap my head around that stuff. But my first go-to bag when he says stuff like that is like, okay, how many Super Bees am I gonna need for this trip? So you guys will see eventually when I get this video up, and it's probably gonna wait until my kids go off to school, which is like August 8th or something. I'm gonna try and buckle down and do that video for you guys, showing you all of my JuJuBe stash and Lily Jade and Carrie Kit and all that stuff. I'm gonna show you guys my closet, and this is definitely gonna be in there. It's just so gorgeous. And I know a lot of people are afraid about having a white print because the background on this is white, as you can see. It's not bad to have a JuJuBe bag that is white. You can keep it clean. All you have to do is wash it. So if you guys don't know how to wash a JuJuBe bag, or you're afraid to get started, I'm gonna link my video right here for you guys. If you're anything like me, I've taken my Super Bees to splash pads and water parks this year, and they've gotten really dirty. And so I just always follow the same way to wash them every time, and they always come out new looking. I've never had an issue. So definitely check that video out if you need help. I'm just so excited that I have this in a Super Bee because, like I said, they're like my go-to bag when I'm traveling or going anywhere. It holds a ton, literally holds a ton. I think I fit like 5 towels in here for our trip yesterday to the water park. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the top, but look at the top, isn't that pretty? I just love those pink zippers so much. One thing that I haven't noticed that I normally do on these bags, and I'm probably gonna eat my words in a second here. No, I don't see it. Normally they have like Hello Kitty tags that you can unzip with. And I'm not seeing that this time around, so that's different, even on these two bags. They just have the usual JuJuBe hardware. So, but they do still have the Hello Kitty logo right here, but sometimes like they have her head as the zipper pull, and I'm not seeing that this time. But it's okay. That's the interior. Oh guys, it's hard to show you guys a Super Bee like this. I'm gonna try though. There you go. And if you guys missed my Super Bee packing video that I just posted, I think like a week or so ago, for how I pack it for the pool, definitely click this link here and check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and found it helpful and fun. I always do. I have such a good time filming unboxings. They are so much fun. If you guys want to shop these 3 prints, we have Threads, Sweet Petals, and Hello Floral. You can shop JuJuBe with me anytime. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. And thank you everyone who uses that. I appreciate it. And thanks for watching.